Although not officially available until the Boss Mustang, orange has been a part of the Mustang culture since the very beginning. If you've ever seen a poppy red Mustang, poppy red is extremely orange in person. There's been so many orange variants over the years that orange has almost always been an option in the Mustang lineup. With the introduction of Code Orange in the 2020 GT500, today we're taking a look at the 3 most popular orange colors on the S550 Mustang. We're going to start off with Competition Orange. Now, Competition Orange has a near cult following. Now, first showed up on the 2004 Mustang Cobra, and if you're shopping for one of those, you're going to find there is a Competition Orange tax where you can pay more money for that particular color. That was so popular, Ford brought it back in 2015 and kept it through the 2016 model year. Now, after Comp Orange went away in 2016, there was no orange in 2017, but for 2018, we got Orange Fury. Now, this is our 2018 Mustang we lovingly call Cheese Whiz because honestly, that's kind of what the color looks like. It's definitely a lighter orange than the other oranges. Now, Orange Fury is very similar to the Grabber Orange color that was available in the 60s and then again on the S197 Mustang. It's also similar to the school bus yellow that was used in the Boss 302 competition cars, which is basically almost the same as Grabber Orange. Now, Orange Fury again was available for a couple years, a little lighter than the other ones, then it got replaced in the 2020 GT500. So with Orange Fury going away in 2019, it was replaced in 2020 by Twister Orange. Now, to me, Twister is probably the most orange of the orange colors. It is way darker and less yellow than the Orange Fury, not quite the same depth though and darkness as the Competition Orange. Now, the Twister Orange is available on the GT500. It's available with 2 different stripe options, your black stripes or the Kona blue stripe shown here. Like I mentioned earlier, Ford has already announced there'll be a new orange for 2022 on the GT500 called Code Orange. Now, Code Orange is currently available on the 2021 F-150. It'll also be available on the new 2022 Bronco Raptor, so Ford is keeping it only for their specialty vehicles. Now, will that orange or any of these other oranges ever be quite as collectible and desirable as the Competition Orange? Well, we'll have to wait and find out. But if you're a fan of orange, Ford has definitely offered us a lot of options over the years.